It's your favorite chaos correspondent, meodentv, here to serve up some spicy, slightly absurd news from the front lines. Chapter 1. Houthis DIY Workshop, coming soon to a store near you. So the US and Israel have been pointing fingers at Iran, claiming it's the mastermind behind the Houthis' ever-improving tech game. But the Houthis? Oh no, they're out here like, Iran who? This is all us, baby. 100% locally sourced organic defense systems. These guys have taken leftover Soviet-era relics from the 1990s, think rusty tanks and dusty missiles, and turned them into military-grade upgrades. It's like they found the ultimate Pinterest board for guerrilla warfare hacks. If there's a prize for creativity under pressure, the Houthis are definitely taking home the gold. Chapter 2. David versus Goliath, with drones and missiles. Not only have the Houthis jazzed up their old gear, but they've also gone full MacGyver. We're talking missiles, drones, and air defense systems that are sophisticated enough to shoot down more than a dozen Reaper drones. And these Reapers? They're not your everyday Amazon drones. They're multi-million-dollar flying death machines. On top of that, the Houthis have basically put up a giant "Do Not Enter" sign in their airspace. Even the US Air Force is like, yeah, let's just not go there. The result? Bombing runs are as effective as using a fly swatter on a tank. Chapter 3. Pentagon Math, where numbers go to die. Here's where it gets really juicy. A recent report shows the Pentagon has poured over $2.5 billion into anti-Houthi operations over the past year. And for what? To degrade their capabilities? Well, spoiler alert, the Houthis are still standing, and Washington is now side-eyeing its own military strategy. But wait, it gets better. Senator Angus King brought the ultimate burn during a congressional hearing. So let me get this straight. The Houthis are sending out $20,000 drones, and we're taking them down with $4.3 million missiles? Gentlemen, do we need a calculator or something? Because this math ain't mathing. Cue awkward silence in the room. Someone, please, send these folks a budget spreadsheet ASAP. Chapter 4. The Houthis Underdog Masterclass. Let's take a step back and appreciate this. A scrappy militia, outnumbered and outgunned, is out here making some of the world's most advanced militaries look like they're playing Call of Duty on easy mode, and losing. This is asymmetric warfare at its finest, folks. Who needs a billion-dollar arsenal when you've got Soviet leftovers, a can-do attitude, and some serious ingenuity? Closing thoughts. The Houthis have turned the tables and made this whole conflict look like the world's most expensive episode of Mythbusters. Stay tuned, folks. There's bound to be more drama where this came from. Cảm ơn các bạn đã lắng nghe. Đừng quên nhấn đăng ký và like để không bỏ lỡ bất kỳ tin tức mới nào. Hãy chia sẻ video này để thông tin được lan tỏa đến nhiều người hơn và để lại bình luận để chúng ta cùng thảo luận. Theo dõi kênh meodentv để cập nhật những tin tức nóng hổi nhất. Cảm ơn các bạn một lần nữa.